Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Mike, Rocky Ridge Kennel and Loft. I got this little setup here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a attachment to go in front of the fan, and it sprays a little mist, just like you do at the kids' fun parks there. It cools off the air, and because it's like 100 degrees out here, and it's supposed to drop the temperature 10 degrees, so I can feel it. Feels really good. And the birds seem to enjoy it, and I pointed it on the outside just in case they don't like it. They can go on the inside. So that's a new thing that I have. So I'm hoping that helps out, you know, give the birds a little bit of relief. These are a lot of the young birds that have been coming out of the nest. Most of these are sold, and a few of them that I'm keeping. That one was a gift. I'm keeping that one. I'm keeping that one. And I'm going to keep that pied mealy right there. So, and I'm possibly going to keep this guy right here because he has a brother that's doing really well on the racing team. Anyway, this is the loft that I bring the young birds in and wean them, and I think the hawk activity has died down quite a bit, so I might start flying some of these young ones. And the other thing I did was clip some feathers today, the first 3 flight feathers, and I only did it on these guys right here. And these guys are going to get the reduced daylight, and I'm going to try to molt them out as quickly as possible because we only got 7 weeks until the first race. And so that's that half, and I put the petitions in so that keep them separate. And then this side is all the ones that don't have the wings clipped. So these guys, I'm going to keep flying them. There's a little bit more than half right here. Now I'm going to go get my white pigeons, and I'm going to put them in this section that's empty now. Alright, so I just brought out all the Rocky Ridge whites and got them out to this section, the 6 foot by 4 foot section. And I'm going to let them fly for a couple weeks, and then I'll swap them with the males. Give them some flight time. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. So over here we got the some bald head rollers and my daughter's Satinettes. They've been all getting along pretty well in here. And I actually have three real young Rocky Ridge whites in here. So I'll show my my breeding loft. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, I cleaned out all the bedding. Let me show off this fan so you can hear me. And I brought in my 2 breeding cages, and I'm I'm finishing up the breeding season. These two bald head rollers produce just exceptional young ones. They only do one at a time, but their babies are so beautiful. Got two Rocky Ridge whites up here. One more here. Looks like they might be going down on a nest again, but these guys got two beautiful babies, and so far this pair here has proven to have some really nice young birds for the racing team. I haven't lost any of them. So that's a good sign. And this is my tiger grizzle project, and looks like they're thinking about nesting again. I may let these guys go another one, but this is the it's not a tiger grizzle that I can tell so far, but it's a nice looking grizzle, and the other one just looks like a black eagle. So that's what they've produced. Nothing wrong with some beautiful young birds, and these are great flyers too. Anything with black eagle blood in it and Rocky Ridge blood, you know, they fly really well. And these are two more racing pigeons that I'm having really good luck with their offspring. That's going to be it for them for the season. So I'm going to do my breeding in these cages from now on. It's a lot less disarray, and I can control things a lot better this way. And you can see I have all the cracks and crevices sealed, so no more snakes can get in. I've done that all the way around, just like that, all the way down. And that's where the snake was coming in, right up top there. Got it all sealed up. So hopefully no more issues with that. We can go take a look at the stock loft. It's been about 100 degrees every day. That's what it's been getting up to. It's almost noontime, and close to 95, but it feels a lot hotter out here. So these are all the cockbirds on this side. And let me unplug this fan, so there's a good chance you might be able to hear me. It's a nice exhaust fan that I put in recently, and draws the cool air right up from the bottom, and it keeps it nice in here no matter how hot it gets. And we have this fan that's for the other side. Anyway, a lot of these cockbirds are molting. Some of them don't look so hot. Some of them already gone through the molt. And there's a lot of roller pigeons in here, like that one right there, bald head. And that bald head on the floor, and that one, and that black one. Nice muleman, he's pretty much all done molting. And a few more rollers and stuff out here. So, and the hens are on this side, and I put a blanket over the skylight because the heat was coming in a little bit too strong. I don't have to do that often, but that's a Morvet, that white one. That's the reason why I didn't put it out with the other hens to fly, because that bird did not grow up here with the Rocky Ridges, and that other Morvet over there did not grow up here. I took that grizzle off of the racing team because I didn't want to lose it, and I took it off the day before I lost all those birds on that 60-mile toss, so that was probably a good thing. So anyway, that's all my hens. A lot of rollers, a lot of Birmingham rollers, a lot of racing pigeons, and that's all I have. This pair has 2 fertile eggs, these 2 reds. They came from Jack Burak, and they're going to produce some really nice racing pigeons for me. And as soon as they hatch, probably about 5 or 6 days after they hatch, I'm going to bring them out to the breeding racks and get rid of this cage out of here. Give the hens some more room to fly around. I didn't intend on them to have babies in here, but I was just pairing them up, and they took it serious. So anyway, I'll show you a little project that I have going on. I am making a video on this, but I have started working on a new pigeon loft. There's the base, there's the walls, and I'll make a whole video on that. I've already got some footage that I'll put in, so please subscribe to the channel, and you'll see how that project comes out. I'm making 2 of these actually. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.